Good morning, children. Welcome to the morning online class. Today we are going to start the next lesson from the civics part. Already we have completed the 5 lessons. Now we are going to start the 6th lesson, that is road safety. We are going to see about the road safety. Nowadays people almost all are using the road. We are traveling, riding the vehicle by road. So it is important, but we are the children, don't know how to walk on the road. Then the safety rules of the road, you may not be knowing. Some of the things here mentioned, to know about all those things, we are going to learn this lesson, road safety. Here it is introduced the lesson, what is accident? Accident involving at least a vehicle occurring on road. Road everywhere connected by road. Vehicles are moving on the road. Sometimes unexpectedly happening some incidents, that is accident. That is unexpected one. Accidents happens unexpectedly. It is on the road. That road used for public transport. That road vehicles, different types of vehicles, cycle, two-wheeler, four-wheeler, six-wheeler, even other heavy vehicles are moving on the road. Even the road also different types are there. Village roads, state highways, district highways, national highways, golden quadrilateral, like this, expressways. Many types of roads are there. Fast highways. In the fast highways, expressways, or golden quadrilateral, here the vehicles are moving very fast. When the vehicles are moving very fast, that is the main reason for accident. Many accidents takes place in this road accident takes place many times. That is, road accidents are leading cause of death by injury and the 10th leading cause of all deaths globally. Road accident takes place in the 10th place. It is one of the leading cause of the death. The road accident is one of the 10th leading cause of death. So many causes are there for death, but this some natural disasters also one of the cause for death, but the road accident is one of the 10th leading cause of death. Globally around about 1.2 million people die every year due to the road accident. Every year 1.2 million people die globally, worldwide. 1.2 million people die every year. 50 million people injured. 50 million people are injured. Only from India, 1,30,000 people every year die. In India alone, 1,30,000 people die due to the road accident. Here, may mention some of the main causes for the road accident. First, it is mentioned drunk and drive. 40% of the accident takes place due to the drivers or using the alcohol while driving the vehicle. Then speeding, that is 24% of the accident takes place due to the speeding of vehicle. Then car boom in India. Many car companies are producing more cars. People are buying and using the car, riding the car very fast. That also one of the reason for the road accident. That is about 16% of the road accident takes place due to the boom of car boom in India. Inefficient law enforcement. No strict laws are enforced in India. That also one of the reasons for the accident, that because of the inefficient law enforcement, that is about 15% of the accident takes place. And less use of helmet and seat belt. Less use of helmet and seat belt also cause the 5% of the accident in India. Then distraction to driver. Distraction of concentration will not be there while driving the vehicle. Driver will not be concentrating the vehicle while driving. That also one of the reason. Red light jumping in the traffic center. Sometimes the red light, stop light will be jumping. That time also they can start moving the vehicle. That led to the accident. Then overtaking in a wrong manner. These are all the reasons the accident takes place. Then here mentioned some of the top 10 cities here mentioned that death takes place due to accident. The topmost city in India, that is Chennai, stands first in the accident takes place, road accidents. That they have taken the survey of 2016. According to the 2016 survey, the Chennai city leading the top road accident. Then followed by Chennai, Delhi, next to Chennai, Delhi, then Bengaluru, like these 10 cities they have mentioned. More accidents takes place these cities. Then different factors to road accidents. Drivers only drives the vehicle. That drivers also one of the factors for the road accident. Overspeeding, rash driving, violation of rules, failure to understand sign, fatigue, alcohol. These are all the reason the accidents takes place. That is mainly because of the drivers. Pedestrians, people who are walking along the road, they also cause one of the factor of accidents. Carelessly walking, illiteracy, crossing wrong sides, and joy walkers, pedestrians. These people who are walking along the road, because of all these reasons, they met accident. Passengers who are traveling the public transport. Passengers, while traveling the transport, bus or anything, projecting their body parts outside vehicles, they are leaving their hands or face or head or anything, they leave out, projecting their body parts out of the vehicle. Talking to drivers while driving the vehicle, the people who are sitting nearby the drivers, they will be talking the drivers. That also cause of accidents. Alighting and boarding vehicles from the wrong side, traveling on footpaths. Alighting and boarding, while moving the vehicle, sometimes they will get down from the vehicle, and boarding the vehicle also cause of accidents. And traveling on footboards, due to the crowd or anything, they will be traveling in the footboard. That also cause of accidents. Catching a running bus. People, while moving the vehicle, they try to catch the bus. That time also happens the accident. Vehicles also one of the factor of accidents. failure of brakes, brake failure, steering tire burst, insufficient headlight, overloading. These are all the reasons the vehicles all be also one of the factor of accidents. Road conditions. The conditions of the road not good. If the good conditions of the road, they will not take place much accidents. If the conditions of the road is worst, that also one of the factor of accidents. Potholes, damaged roads, eroded roads, merging of rural roads with highways, illegal speed breakers. These are all the reasons. The road conditions also one of the factor of road accidents. Weather conditions. Weather conditions also one of the factor of road accidents due to fog, snow, heavy rainfall, windstorms, hailstorms. These times, the driver who is driving the vehicle will not get clear vision. That time, that also cause of accidents. So these are all the factors cause the accidents. Here on diagram is given about the which road use category uses causes the highest number of death. The highest number of deaths according to the picture shows that two-wheeler causes more death. Two-wheeler causes more death. Then the next one is cars. Two-wheelers causes more accidents. Next to the two-wheelers, more car causes the accidents. That shows in the picture. So to avoid the accidents due to the two-wheelers and the cars, we have to use the seat belt and helmets. Seat belt and helmets. The seat belt and helmet decreases the accident by 51%. The chances of death by accident can be decreased by 51% with the proper use of seat belt and helmet. Seat belt, people who are driving the car must use the seat belt. Who are driving the two-wheeler must use the helmet to avoid head injuries. Then the next one is rules to ensure roads safe for children. Children must know the safety of the safety while driving the vehicle. The small children also know, small in the sense 13, 14 years children also riding the bike, but they don't know how to drive the vehicle on the road because they do not know the road rules. Mostly they are not having the license also. So they must know the safety, how to ride the vehicle on the road. First one, know your signals. The children must know the signals. Maybe shown the signals on the roadside. Signals, red means stop, yellow means get ready, and green means cross. So these two signals are very important, red, yellow and green. Pay attention and listen while crossing the road or walking the road. Pay attention, or riding the vehicle, pay attention and listen. Don't run on roads. These are all the safety rules for the children. Don't run on roads. Always use sidewalks, left side. You have to keep always keep on walking left side of the road. Always use sidewalks, never stick hands outside the vehicle. While traveling by bus or anything, you should not leave the hands outside the vehicle. Never cross road at bends. You should not try to cross the road at bends. So you may not be knowing which all the vehicles are coming. So you should not cross the road on bends. Don't rush. Don't rush. Keep left. Cross at zebra line. Crossing at the zebra line. The highways and all they have shown the sign zebra crossing and other crossings and all. We have to see those crossing and try to cross the road. Before that, should not cross the road. So this is a small chapter about the road safety. If you read once or twice, you can understand easily. So you mark that some of the questions are given here. That questions I mark now. Answer the following. What are the benefits of wearing helmet while driving? Answer page number 281. Do you know? It is given. Do you know that to be marked, the chances of death by accident can be decreased by 51% with the proper use of seat belt and helmet. People who are driving the car, they have to use the seat belt. People who are driving the two-wheeler must use the helmet. That is the safety. Suppose an accident happens, you can be protected. You can be protected, especially from the head injuries and all. You can be protected. So this answer you have to mark for the first 2 marks. List out the factors of road accidents. List out the factors of road accident. Page number 280. Page number 280. You have to mark this answer from the do you know. Do you know? That 4 points given. We mark from second point to fourth point. Distractions to driver, red light jumping, overtaking in a wrong manner. These are all the points you have to mark for this question. You have to mark all these points, all these 3 points. Distractions to driver, red light jumping, overtaking in a wrong manner. These are all the 3 points you have to mark for this question. Third one, which color in the signal means stop? You know very well, you can write it there. You can write it there. Red color in the signal means stop. Red color in the signal means stop. There itself you can write that red color in the signal means stop. List out any 3 road safety rules. List out any 3 road safety rules. That is page number 282. Page number 282, under the heading rules to ensure road safety for children, that heading point 8, 9 and 10. These 3 points you can mark for this question. That is, don't rush, keep left, crossing at zebra line. These 3 points you mark for this question. Then the answer in detail. Explain the factors involved in road accidents. Explain the factors involved in road accidents. explain the factors involving the road accidents. Page number 280. Page number 280. Different factors to road accidents. Heading. Different factors to road accidents. Heading. Some of the points given about drivers, pedestrians, passengers, vehicles, road conditions, weather conditions. All these factors mentioned here, that all these factors you have to mark. Drivers fully you have to mark. Drivers overspeeding, rash driving, violation of rules, failure to understand sign, fatigue and alcohol. These are all these. Then pedestrians, carelessness, literacy, crossing at wrong place, joy workers, passengers, projecting their body parts outside vehicles, talking to drivers, alighting and boarding vehicles from the wrong side, traveling on footboards, catching a running bus, etc. Then vehicles, failure of brakes and steering, tire burst, insufficient headlight overloading. Road conditions, potholes, damaged roads, eroded roads, merging of rural roads with highways and illegal speed breakers. Then weather conditions, fog, snow, heavy rainfall, windstorms, hailstorms. All these points, all those things you have to mark for this first detail. Second one, explain in detail the road safety rules. That is page number 282. Page number 282. Rules to ensure road safety for children. About 10 points given. From that, from the beginning you have to mark. It is important for children to know about road safety rules and regulations. Here are few basic road safety rules for children. From that you have to mark. Already I told you, know your signals. Then stop, look and cross. These are all your signals. For stop, red, look, yellow and cross, green. Pay attention. Listen, don't run on roads. Always use sidewalks. Never stick hands outside the vehicle. Never cross road at bends. Don't rush. Keep left crossing at zebra line. These are all the points you have to mark for this second detail. So this small chapter I have completed the answers also. You have to learn the answers from this lesson. Maybe you are going to write the test. After that you have to after completing the test you have to start learning these lesson answers. Thank you.